G'day, I'm Craig from Fully Air Condition. Today I'm just going to go through and have a look how to fault find using the remote control if your Daikin split system has shut down and the green light's flashing and doesn't work. So we're going to set up a fault and then go through and show you how to check it. Okay, so here we have the Daikin split system. It's operating at the moment. The light is on solid green and we've put a piece of copper pipe just through the fan. It's going to stop the fan from rotating and the unit will detect that. It'll have a high current draw and then it'll try and operate for 30 seconds, detect that, shut down. It'll do that 16 times in a row. If that fault continues to happen, then it shuts down the indoor unit and this green light turns off from being solid to flashing. And in that way you know you've got a fault. So we've only just set this up, so it's still got about an hour and a half before it'll actually shut down. So we'll come back then and have a look. We're back. The unit has now gone into fault, and the way we can tell that has happened is the green indicator light is now blinking, and the louvers have closed, and the air conditioner doesn't work. You try and turn it on, and it just doesn't work. So the way to get the fault from the air conditioner and to tell us is through the remote control. So the first thing to do is to find the cancel button, and that's just behind this little cover that slides down, and we push and hold down the cancel button for approximately 5 seconds. You'll notice that the temperature disappears and we come up with these 2 digits that are flashing. The way we tell what fault it is by pushing the cancel button. Each time these digits change, it sends a signal to the air conditioner, and the air conditioner will either emit a single beep, means that none of these numbers are correct or in the fault. A double beep means one of the numbers in the code here are correct, and a long continuous beep means that that is the fault. So if we push cancel, it changes the error code U4. We got 1 beep. So that's not the fault, and we keep going through until we get the beep, the long continuous beep, and that's it there, E7. So now with the malfunction code list, we go down the E column. Down the side column, find E, across to 7. This is overload of fan motor, overcurrent of fan motor, which is obvious because we put a piece of copper through the fan motor, which is causing it to overload. To fix the fault, we've just taken that out. Now, all we need to do is reset the air conditioner by turning the power off, and I'll show you now how to do that. Okay, so now we've got the fault and we know what it is, and we've made a note of it just in case it happens again and we need to tell the service technician. We're going to reset the fault. So you need to find the switchboard, find the circuit breaker that operates that unit, and power it off. You need to power it off for a good 10 to 15 seconds. That allows all the PC boards to depower and resets the fault. Then you just need to turn the circuit breaker back on again, and the fault will be cleared and the system will operate again. If the fault's still there, it'll go through the same fault process, start 16 times and then turn off. If the fault isn't there, the unit should just turn back on and run normally. Thanks for viewing our video. Please stay tuned and we'll have more good videos, well, I think they're good, coming through shortly. Thanks.